Shenzhen Joecig Technology Co Limited. Founded in 2010, a manufacturer specialized in the R&D and production of e-cigarette, 97 patented technologies, professional technical R&D teams, provision of all-round solutions, FDA-approved GMP 100,000 class dust-free workshops. Monthly production capacity of 30 million pieces. Automatic production line of assembly. 2 whole process quality control. Perfect testing procedures and standards. Laboratory. Data-intensive management for information standardized rack warehouse. Digitalized intelligent model. Creating a world-class intelligent manufacturing new factory. Providing global service by running through the whole world.